Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Shopify stores theme does not support the mega menu, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to add professional mega menu in your Shopify stores without changing your main theme. I will guide you through the entire process step by step. So even if you're new to your Shopify, you can still follow along and add it to your store. So let's get started to make your store's navigation to look much more professional. So now, as we were talking about to get the mega menu in your store, so I'm going to guide you each of the steps. So first of all, let's suppose we have a theme, which is a very common theme. I'm going to add Dawn theme for this purpose. Let me search it, Dawn. And here we have this theme, and we're going to try it on this theme, as most of the Shopify store owner is using this theme and customizing it according to their own needs. So now it's done. It's installing the theme on my store. So this is the code which we can use in multiple stores. Any type of themes, we can add this code, which includes the header and the mega menu as well. It does come with the announcement bar as well. So now the theme has been installed just now. So I'm going to click on edit theme. And at the moment, we have the default header in Dawn theme. So now what we're going to do, we are going to replace this Dawn theme header and add the new one. So we will add that one that I was talking about few seconds ago. So now, as you can see, at the moment, we have nothing like announcement bar, custom liquid, and not an option for separate header that does come with a mega menu. Also, this one also come with the mega menu, but it does not have that sort of functionalities, and it does not look that much good. So you can generate the header as well, but this time we are not going to use the AI, because most of the time the Shopify AI fails to generate such big sections that come with a lot of functionalities. So now what we have to do, I'm going to add all these files into the description. So you have to add all these files accordingly as I am doing. So now you can see this is a folder named as snippets. Click on it, copy these two files, and open up your store's theme code. Here we have the edit code, and as you can see, we have the snippet folder. So what we have to do, come back to the folder, drag these two files into this folder, snippets one. You got it? So now these two files has been added: luxury, mobile drawer, and mega menu. Now come back to the file explorer, and here we have a sections. Click on it. We have one more file in here, luxury header.liquid. So drag this file into the section folder. As you can see, this one is the section folder. So now this has been added as well. Now come back to the file explorer, one more back, and in asset folder, we have two files. One is a CSS file and one is a JS file. Drag these two in the asset folder, and we have on the top asset folder. So now these two files has already been installed into our store. So these are the 5 files that I'm going to give you in your description. So now refresh it in your Shopify theme editor. You just need to refresh it and let it load the files. And now if we are going to hide this, like the announcement bar as well, and now click on the add section, we have a luxury header, right? Click on it, and now we have the luxury header. So what we have to do, we have to add some content in it. Let's suppose I would like to change the logo. So here is how we can change it or customize it. Right, here we have. And now to select the menus, we have to click here, main navigations. So we have all these navigations. So just in case, in your case, you want to change the mega menu for something else like new arrivals, what you have to do, just rename this to new arrivals. Then the mega menu will appear on this menu. At the moment, it is displaying in the shop. Now we have to add a bunch of things, like when we scroll down, we have a featured collection section. Now we have to add few collections like 1, 2, and this one. The last one is third one, right? Let me save it. Now we can see we have 3 featured collection as well. And as we have to add a photo in it as well, so banner image. So we can change it from here. Let me select the best one I have. Yep, this one. I like it the most of the time. And as you can see, we have this section as well. And please make sure to save every time you make the new changes, because this is not the default header. This is the one that we have created, which is compatible with all sort of themes. So keep this thing in your mind. Hit the save button. And now, as we have to add some shop by category section as well here, as you can see, everything is working. Zoom in animation as well. So now add a block, featured bar item, or mega menu categories. I think this is the one. So let me add any of the icon. This is just to give you an idea. I'm gonna select, let's suppose this one, right? Now hit the save button. This is gonna be the title. Let's suppose I'm going to name it main category, right? So I'm gonna hit the save button, and here we have the main category with all those stuff in it. So let me duplicate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add as many as you want, and let me save it. And now we just rename it to something else, add numbering in it, just to make sure that each and everything is working perfectly. As you can see, here are the main categories. These will also update according to the current selected category. So at the moment, it's not changing because all of the categories has been selected according to this selection. So this is the main mega menu that most of the users want to add into their stores. So this is the most important thing that I believe Shopify store owner should have. So now, talking about the mobile view, how it's going to be look alike. So let me change the view to mobile one. And now we can click on the drawer. It gives us a beautiful visual as well. So as you can see, here we have a shop button, which comes with a drop down as well. And now all the stuff, my account, wish list, and shopping cart, etc. You can change the languages as well, and you can add more of your stuff as well. So this is the custom code. You can add your own stuff as well, as you can see in here. If you have a little bit sort of knowledge about the coding things, so you can update it according to your own needs as well. So this is how you can get the mega menu in your Shopify store, which is way more easier and look great. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you really did, please make sure to subscribe our channel Succeessify to get the latest information about our next video.